Alright, so in this video I want to get us through how you can easily fund your wallet by yourself. It's either you are able to get it from the exchange market by yourself, or you can easily send the money to me in Naira so that we're able to fund your wallet direct. Hope you get right. So you can easily use any crypto exchange app that accepts P2P. It's either Bybit, Bitget, anyone that accepts P2P. Anyone that is P2P is allowed. But in this video I will try to use Bybit. I hope you get. So just click on Bybit. And make sure your Bybit is already verified. Make sure it's verified. If it's not verified, I will encourage you to get for those who have already have verified so that we don't encounter any error. Or if you want to transfer your coins out, you just locate this P2P area, P2P trading. Just click on it like this. As you can see, these are the available buyer in which you can buy the coins for. I hope you get. See? So what you need to do for you to easily get the people you needed, you just need to type the amount you want to buy. So in this video, I would like to fund around $26 to $30. So $26 will be around that is 40 something, right? Let me just type 50,000. So this 50,000 naira, just click confirm. So once you click on confirm, the people that are in that range will pop up. As you can see, these are the people who are in that range. So you can easily click on this buy. If you click on this with crypto, you can easily type the crypto amount you want to fund. Like let's assume $26 like this, or $30. You can see, right? Let's assume $30. This is the amount you will pay. But if you want to fund like Naira, so this is 50,000 naira, and if you pay 50,000, this is the amount of the coins you will get, which is $32.6. I hope you get right. Just click on this buy. Let's use this 50,000. So the moment you click on buy, just review the amount you want to pay, the rate, everything. Just click on pay now. So this is the account in which you will send the money to. Make sure you check it and verify it very carefully. You just need to copy the account. You can see, right? Account number. Copy the account number like this. Just the normal way you do transfer. Go to your local bank and do the transfer. Make sure you recheck the name of the person you want to transfer to. So just go to your local bank account. I believe every one of us know how to transfer, right? As you can see, this is the name of the person, right? Make sure you recheck it very well. You can see, right? Or a Samuel. So after you are done transfer the money, go to your Bybit app again. So after you have, make sure you have transferred the money before you click on pay. So just go to your P2P again. So this time around, just locate these orders. You can see orders, right? So click on the order you have already placed. So what you need to click is just pay now. So you have already made the payment, right? Make sure you make the payment before you click on payment complete, so that your account will not get flagged. Hope you get right. So sometimes you need to take the screenshot of it. I've already taken the screenshot. I made the money you transfer. So you just need to upload the screenshot like this. Yeah, mark all this and confirm. Just click on confirm. Yes. What you will do that the person will check the account. If you have already found the money there, I will now release the coins to you. Let's just wait for the person to release the coins for us. Yes, as you can see now, the coins is already available in our wallet. You can see, right? The coins is already available in our wallet. The next thing is for us to convert this USDT to BNB. I hope you get right. You just need to convert it to BNB. Sometimes your own may not be in BNB like this. It may be in other coins like this. Just click on the BNB area. Click on it like this. So just type BNB. So just type any amount you want to convert. 32. You can just click on this mouse like this. You can see, right? If you convert this USDT, this is the BNB we are going to get. Just click on this code. So just click on confirm. Yes, we have successfully convert our coins. Just click on this view access. So this is our amount now. So the next thing is for us to transfer this money to Binance. Let's make sure you also have your Binance verified. So go to your Binance. I hope you still remember the step we follow. We first convert the coins to BNB. After we convert the coins to BNB, we want to transfer it to Binance now. Next thing is for you to click on this add fund. So once you click on add fund, you can go to click on this deposit crypto. So what you want to deposit is BNB, right? You can just type BNB or you click on the BNB. If they bring it like this, click on BNB. So the coins, make sure you are very careful here. The coins you want to fund is BNB Smart Chain by 20, not opBNB. I hope you get right. Click on it. So after you click on it like this, it's going to pop up the address in which you would send the coins to. Just copy it like this. So after you copy it, return to your Bybit app. So you just need to return to the Bybit app. So once in your Bybit app like this, click on this access. So after click on the access, click on withdraw. So you just need to paste the address you copy. So I know by now some people will be wondering that why do we not transfer the coins from here direct to our wallet? I want us to be very careful here. The reason we do not transfer is that the coins we need to activate and position ourselves into an ecosystem is opBNB network. It is the second layer of the BNB coins, which means that it's only available on the Binance exchange. So just click on that's where we need to transfer this BNB to Binance first. So once you click on it, we want to transfer all. So just click on withdraw, confirm. I want you to note something. The reason my wallet was able to go like this successful because I've already been transferred to that wallet. So sometimes your wallet may require you to put your password, your authenticator code, something like that. I hope you get right. So we just need to wait for this coins to inflate. And so let's go and check our wallet out. Let's go and check our Binance app. Yes, so as you can see, the coins is already inflating in our wallet. So as you can see, the money is now up to $32 again, right? So that is the charges that come with it. Sometimes we give you price that still the amount you will help you to get it. You think maybe you want to cheat you. This is the charges that come with it that we add to it. Hope you get right. The next thing is for us to transfer these coins to our wallet direct. So we normally recommend you can easily use any crypto wallet. So we normally recommend SafePay. So as you can see, the available amount on this my wallet is $386, right? You can see, right? $386. So let me just add to it. Okay, let me use another wallet so that you will not think maybe let me use another wallet. Okay, let me use this wallet so that you will be able to see it. So for you to get the address you will need to fund the wallet, just click on this opBNB. Click on this opBNB, click on receive. I hope you get right. Just copy your address, copy it like this. So you have already been copied. Now go back to your Binance app. Go back to the Binance app. Once your Binance app is already open like this, click on this access. So click on send. So click on this withdraw crypto from Binance to other exchange or wallets. Click on this like this. So you will now need to choose the coins you want to withdraw from, which is BNB. Yes, the address we just copy, we just need to paste it here. You can see that, but here you must choose opBNB. You can see here that there's two options for us to choose, either BNB or opBNB. Please, this time around, you just need to choose the opBNB because this opBNB is the ones we need to position ourselves. So you can just click on this maximum, click on it like this, click on withdraw. So now it depends on the verification method you set. So sometimes it may require your password, your email code, something like that. But it depends on the verification code you set. You can see on this my account, my own is authenticator. So I just need to go and copy it. I need to go and copy my authenticator, copy it like this, come back, paste it here. So as you can see, our withdrawal is already successful. So we just need to go back to our wallet to go and confirm it. So as you can see, right, the money is already inflated on our wallet. As you can see, let me show you now. Receive, this is the money we just received now. So as you can see, this is how you can easily fund your wallet by yourself. Maybe you are scared of transfer money to anyone or something like that. You can easily fund your wallet by yourself. So after you fund your wallet, a video will be sent to you. I don't want this video to be too long. How you can easily activate your account and position yourself into the ecosystem. So that will be all for now.